This overnight oats recipe will teach you how to make a base that can be used with any toppings or add-ins you choose. It's super easy to remember and the perfect overnight oats recipe for beginners. 2-ingredient base. Half a cup rolled oats. Half a cup milk of choice. My add-ins. A 1/4 cup non-fat Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1 tablespoon sweetener honey or maple syrup. 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Ingredients notes. 1. Oats. This is really the only ingredient that's non-negotiable. Make sure to use plain old-fashioned oats and not quick oats because the consistency is best with rolled oats. 2. Milk. For the liquid part, you can actually make this with water, but it's more common to use milk. You can also use plant-based milk like almond milk, coconut milk, cashew milk, or oat milk. 3. Chia seeds. Optional, these seeds are packed with tons of nutrition, and they help give the oats a pudding-like texture. 4. Greek or vegan yogurt. Optional, this gives the oats a tangy flavor, creamy texture, and boost of protein. 5. Vanilla extract. Optional, this enhances all the flavors that go into the overnight oatmeal as well as giving it sweetness without any sweetener. 6. Sweetener. Optional, use honey or maple syrup to sweeten the mixture, especially because oats can be somewhat bland on their own. 7. Toppings. This is where you can have some fun with fresh fruit, dried fruit, nut butters, nuts, seeds, and spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, or cardamom. How to make 2-ingredient overnight oats. 1. Add your oats to your preferred jar. 2. Top with your milk of choice. 3. Mix everything together until all the oats are submerged in milk. 4. Refrigerate overnight and eat. How I make my overnight oat base. 1. To start, combine old-fashioned oats, chia seeds, Greek or vegan yogurt, and vanilla extract. If you're using a sweetener, add it in now too. 2. Top with your choice of milk. 3. Mix the overnight oats together until you see no clumps. 4. Next, seal or cover with a lid and chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight. The next morning, grab a spoon, add your favorite toppings, and dig in. My top 6 overnight oatmeal recipe ideas. A. Peanut butter and jelly. It's like having a peanut butter jelly sandwich in overnight oats form. It has a sweet and salty taste that's irresistible. Layer with 1 tablespoon strawberry jam, 1 tablespoon creamy peanut butter, a 1/4 cup diced strawberries, 2 tablespoons peanuts crushed. B. Apple pie. This variation is a great fall recipe that has a warm sweet taste and satisfying crunch from the fruit and nuts. This recipe combination of a 1/4 cup diced apples, 1 tablespoon pecans chopped, 2 teaspoons maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. C. Banana Nutella. The banana and Nutella together have a rich, decadent taste that makes it feel like you're enjoying dessert instead of a nutritious breakfast. Try also adding crushed hazelnuts and chocolate chips to enhance the flavor. A great flavor for kids to try. This recipe combination of 1/2 banana sliced, 1 tablespoon Nutella, 1 tablespoon hazelnuts crushed, 1 tablespoon chocolate chips. D. Almond Joy. This recipe is a play on the popular chocolate bar. Use shredded coconut, crushed almonds, mini chocolate chips, and maple syrup. This recipe combination of a 1/4 cup shredded coconut, 1 tablespoon almonds chopped, 1 tablespoon chocolate chips, 2 teaspoons maple syrup. E. Maple brown sugar. Maple brown sugar has got to be one of the most loved oatmeal flavors of all time. The hint of molasses paired with the earthy maple and cinnamon is so good. You can eat this variation hot or cold and any time of the year. This recipe combination of 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 2 teaspoons maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. Pinch of salt. F. Blueberry lemon muffin. I like this one cold, but you could set it out for 15 to 20 minutes to take some of the chill off the oats, or even microwave it to let the blueberries burst. This recipe combination of 1/4 cup blueberries, 1 teaspoon lemon zest, 2 teaspoons honey, pinch of salt. Tips for making the best overnight oats. 1. Make it inside of a jar or a mason jar with measurement lines on the side. This way you can measure, mix, chill, carry, and eat the overnight oats all in one convenient container. 2. Use plain old-fashioned rolled oats, not quick oats. Quick oats will get too soggy when soaked with milk. And do not use steel-cut oats because they won't soften enough to eat just with milk, unfortunately. Try this steel-cut overnight oatmeal instead. 3. Warm it up if you prefer warm oats in the morning. Although overnight oatmeal is typically served cold, you can definitely eat them warm. Just place them in the microwave for 1 minute and be sure to use a microwave-safe jar. 4. Chill for at least 4 hours. While 2 hours might do in a pinch, a longer soak will give the flavors time to meld together better, making for a more delicious breakfast. 5. Temperature matters. Cold milk will take longer to soak into the oats than room temperature milk. If you're short on time, consider using milk that's closer to room temperature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.